Guys, with major indices down between 1.7 and 2% today, just today, it was a crazy red day in the market. I want to talk about potential opportunities for buying the dip, okay? So I found 3 stocks for you guys that we're going to talk about in this video, and one of them has an over 100% upside over the next 12 months, so stick around. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. I'm Richard Allen. Let's jump right over to TipRanks.com. We've got the S&P 500 down 1.7% today, the Dow down 1.78%, and the NASDAQ down 2%. So what the heck is going on? We had, as Julie talked about this morning, we have some issues with a massive company in China that's having some bad press going on right now, and people selling their bonds and things like that aren't maturing until 2024. So crazy action coming out of China. China's actually lost about $1 trillion in their equities this year alone. So it's not going great for the Shanghai Exchange this year when you have our major indices, you know, at or near all-time highs. So it's no wonder we have a little bit of a correction. So the China's action coupled with debt ceiling issues and Washington gridlock, as always, it seems like, right? Out there, all of those things kind of working together to crash the market a little bit, right? So we're seeing some issues right now with the markets correcting. But I wanted to talk about 3 stocks right now that have between 30%, 40%, right around there, to over 100% upside for you guys. 2 of the companies are in the 5G space, Internet of Things space as well. And then the last company is a pretty cool company, very innovative. We're going to talk about them. They're doing some cool AI machine learning stuff regarding diagnosis of different cancers. So really cool companies I want to talk to you about. First company we are going to talk about is SWIR Wireless Incorporated. That's SWIR. They were down pretty much exactly where the major indices were today, down 1.5% overall, but you can see the upside here of right around 38% upside over the next 12 months. When we talk about SWIR Wireless, ticker symbol SWIR, we're talking about a company that is really in-depth in the 5G space right now, and shares are down 20% over the past month. The share price losses came as SWIR reported very solid second quarter 2021. The company showed 132.8 million of top-line revenue, up more than 18% year over year. EPS was a loss of 36 cents per share, but that moderated a little bit. SWIR showed gains in both of its business segments, with Internet of Things Solutions revenue gaining 16% year over year, and Enterprise Solutions rising 24% in the past year as well. This company did report some issues with a Vietnam manufacturing facility experiencing some COVID-related disruption in their business, and they think that should be worked out by the end of the year. So that will be a good thing for this company going forward. This 5-star analyst here from Roth Capital sees an amazing upside as a quick fourth quarter sales recovery combined with accelerated cost efficiency plans should drive a more profitable second half of 2022 and full year 2023. Let's go back to what the analysts think about SWIR. Again, 38% upside. There are price targets anywhere from $13 all the way up to $25 as well. Scott sees this as a 62% upside as well, also reiterated last month. So a lot of 5-star analysts ranking this pretty highly on their list. All right, second company we're going to talk about is CommScope Holding. Ticker symbol there is COMM. This was actually down 3% at close today. This is a strong buy stock with 6 ratings, 5 buys, 1 hold, with an average upside, a peek at that, 76%. Now, ticker symbol COMM is another one in the space here of 5G. This is a big company. CommScope reported $2.19 billion in top-line revenue for the quarter, the best result since the fourth quarter of 2019. but on EPS, the company ran a loss of 82 cents per share. The EPS loss marked a second quarter in a row that losses deepened sequentially, and that was the deepest loss in the past 4 quarters. At the same time, the company's shares are down 35% from their peak in July. We have a 5-star analyst from Evercore here saying, look, the stock reaction looks overblown as of the June quarter numbers were solid. There was no real change in management's forward-looking commentary. We continue to see at Investor Day and the full unveiling of CommScope NEXT as the next major positive catalyst for the stock. He continues, the buying supports our view that nothing has changed with the long-term outlook for CommScope, and we continue to see an upside path. Again, ticker symbol COMM was down quite a bit today. We have 6 ratings, 5 buys, 1 hold with an average upside of 76% overall for the next 12 months. All right. Third company we're going to talk about here is iCAD Incorporated. ICAD is the ticker symbol there. Again, down about the same as SWIR, was down 1.44% today. Strong buy, 3 ratings with an average upside of, look at that, 130%. Now, what does iCAD do? I mentioned it a little bit in the beginning of this video, but really, really cool technology. This is an AI technology company using artificial technology to improve both detection and treatment of various cancers. The company is developing a series of new imaging and radiation application devices to conduct more targeted treatment of breast cancer, colorectal cancer, and prostate cancers as well. The Verilook platform, the flagship device for iCAD, improves the detection of colon polyps, an early stage in colon cancer, through AI-enhanced advanced imaging technology. The company is also bringing to market the Profound AI Risk Tool, which will bring the approach to early detection of breast cancer as well. In July, iCAD reported that the Profound tool received CE mark approval based on its 10% improvement in cancer detection, along with a 40% increase in speed of use for the new platform. In addition to positive treatment study results, iCAD reported increasing revenues for the second quarter and the first half of 2021. The Q2 top line came in at $7.8 million, up from $5.6 million a year ago quarter, but missed consensus expectations by just over $1 million. iCAD shares are down 47% from their peak in July. However, Guggenheim analyst Chris Pascal sees the slip as a positive thing for new investors. Again, iCAD traded down 1.44% today. Strong buy based on 3 analyst ratings with an average upside of 130%. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for another video. I appreciate each and every single one of you. If you guys aren't subscribed already, please go ahead and do that. And if you learned anything new at all or found some value in this video at all, hit that like button for me down below. I would love to have you do that. If you have any questions for me, ask me down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.